Hey, what is happening, legends? This is Ron for OptimizeFX, and welcome to the DemoCent versus RealCent video series. This is the very start video of this test. I have no fucking idea how this is going to go. Literally, I'm just risking $10 US of my own hard-earned money, and we are going to see essentially if there is any difference between a DemoCent account and a RealCent account. Now, the only differences that I can see right now would probably be this is the latency of the server connection. So right now we're on the real one. Okay, so this is the real one, and we have a latency of 71.33 milliseconds, and this would be the demo, which is 72.41. So look, there's not much difference between the latency, which is the connection between the terminal and the broker. So we're currently connected to London. 72.41 milliseconds is not great, but it is a cent account, so it doesn't really matter too much. Look, the other difference we can see here is the spread is 3.4 right now, 4 points. Bit of volatility happening, so let's just say it's 4, and in the real one it's the same as well. So I've set these both of these up with exactly the same settings. We can have a look here. So this is the real one. I used the same set file for both, just so you know. So essentially these are the settings here, mt4pro.net. We're not filtering by trading time or only trading gold, and the other one here is exactly the same. Okay, so there is no difference between the set file. There's no difference between there's not real much difference between the latency. Yeah, and I have exactly 1,000 cents in each account ready to rock and roll. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. So I'll hit auto trading on the demo first. Actually, let's just do some checks. We've got to make sure that live trading is enabled and DLL imports is enabled too, and we are doing long and short positions, so that's all good. So I'll hit auto trading, and for the real, we'll just quickly check that. Yep, I've already done all that. So now we hit auto trading, and now they are both exactly the same. The only difference you can see here is probably the zoom. It goes a bit weird. So, but that's about it. That is all. That is all, folks. We are live trading now with both accounts. There we go. I've got the same zoom on both. The only difference is the bar down the bottom here. So if you're wondering what this is down the bottom, this is called Trade Info, and you can find it in the marketplace. So if you just search Trade Info down here, it'll come up there. I'll get this a bit higher. So IceFX Trade Info Free is the one that you want. So you click on that bad boy there, and I've already got it installed, but yeah, you can then download it, and then you drag it onto the chart and it shows up down the bottom here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I might do is I'll keep this recording and we see if we can get a trade in, and for that part I'll probably just fast forward it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think will be the difference, if there is going to be any differences between these two trading. So we're trading 0.01 lots on 1,000, which is pretty much what I've done with the challenge, or the FXTM, yeah, the FXTM challenge on the laptop that I have going on the separate videos. So I started it off at 0.01 lots, and then increased it as the balance got higher. So I might do that with this, and yeah, so we'll see when it will take a trade. I know that Goldnix doesn't really like ranging periods, and it prefers a bit of volatility to take a trade. So we'll see what happens, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you, well, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, if I get a little bit of time, I can maybe do an update video tomorrow, and we'll see what happens, see where we're at. But yeah, just let me know in the comments down below what you think we'll see, what the differences might be. Will they open the same trades? But yeah, and I did almost forget that I've already set up, let's have a look here. I've already set up a my FX book for a portfolio for both of these. So both of these are here. Don't worry about the equity 914, it just hasn't updated yet. Yo, legends. So I'm just doing a quick update here. We have had both EAs take a trade, and we are currently looking at the real account, and the real account done 3 pips profit, 30 cents. However, the demo did 24 cents and 2.4 pips, which is very interesting. So what we'll do here is, I don't know if anyone knew how to do this. Well, we don't have to, but anyway, you can drag this to the chart, and it will show up the trade. So we can see here that opened the trade at 1809.71, and it closed the trade at 1809.41. Yeah, so 1809.71 closed at 1809.41. There you go. So we'll have a look at that, and then this is the demo. Bring it. So they're a little bit different. 1809.68 and 1809. Sorry, 1809.68 and 1809.44. So a little bit different there in the entries, but basically they both did enter at the same kind of time. So we'll see how we go. But yeah, that rounds up the video. Hey, just wait a minute here, just wait a minute. Alright, so I was actually going to put this video out, you know, at the start of the challenge, but I thought, well, there's not really much for me to show you guys, so I'm just going to split. I thought I'd split this video into two. I waited, you know, it's Friday now. I started it on Monday, this demo versus real cent challenge, and we've got some results. So I thought I'd just like to share these results with you guys, and yeah, let me know what you think. So we do have a difference. I put both of these accounts on my FX book. As you can see here, we have the real account and we have the demo account. Now the trades are pretty much the same, but there is a difference. Now we can see here the deposits are different because I deposited more into the real account than I needed to, then I withdrew what I needed to, you know, to make it 1,000 exactly. The demo account was 1,000 exactly, so that's why it says 1,000. This says 2558 because I put a bit more than I needed to in, but they both started exactly the same. They started exactly the same, I can tell you that now. But look at the difference here. So don't know if that's correct. ABS gain, but gain 2.5% and 2.62%. So it seems like the real account in this case, it's actually doing better than the demo. So I'm actually quite surprised. And maybe it is doing better is maybe because the execution time is a little bit better. I'm not sure, but there you go. The proof is in the pudding, as they say. So let's go to the actual terminal. So this is on my VPS, And right now we have, what is this, the real one or the demo one? Let's have a look here. Oh, that's the demo one. This is so this is the real account here. We have the spread. The spread is the same, and in the real account we've got 1,040 and 20 cents, and in the demo it's 1,039 and 4 cents. So there's a slight little difference, as you can see here, but not much, not much. So right now we've made, if you had $1,000. You've made $40 for the week, and the drawdown has been quite minimal. So let's have a look at, or go to the real one. Oh, the drawdown was right there, 0.76%. Nothing at all. So it has been very quiet though. It has been very quiet this week because we've got NFP tonight, and yeah, NFP tonight, but yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. The update for the Demoverse Reel. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. And I also have something else that I'm working on. It's essentially kind of similar to how Goldnix operates. So I'm doing my own twist on Goldnix. So yeah, I might do another video on that, on another EA that I'm building, and some of these features that the new one I'm building will be implemented into Parabolic. So I'm really excited for that too. So not only will I have a new EA dropping that you can get if you want, but I'll also be doing the same kind of upgrades to Parabolics to make it safer to use, because I noticed with Parabolic, if it gets stuck in a trend, it's very hard for it to get out unless you've got the margin there. So I'm implementing some strategies to help it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, we'll do another video next week on how these two accounts are going. So far, they're going really well, and I think we should up the lot size maybe a little bit to see if we can extract some more profits. But yeah, I'm just doing the smallest lot size just to see if we can get a difference, and it looks like we can. That there is a difference. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in another update video for the $1,000 challenge. Bye bye.